May buntag sa tanan. This recording is provided for you to have your instruction, no, as to the crafting of your practice of good deeds, no, as your final output for the course on ethics. So I have here in the screen, no, I have projected the instruction as to unsay buhaton nato in the performance of the practice of good deeds. So the first step is that you will perform one specific action per core value. Since there are 4 Filipino core values, then you will have therefore need to perform 4 acts of good deeds. 4 acts of good deeds. Then for academic purposes, ang mahitabuan ni is you will be performing this between the 2nd and 3rd week of May. So that means to say you can start doing this for this week until next week, no? In the 3rd week of April, 3rd week of May. If ever legit kaya, then pwede ta mo proceed sa 4th week of May. But I would presume supposedly nga ang 4th week of May na to will be the posting na of or doing of the 3rd output, no? Which is yung buhaton is that each of these specific action, you will post it in your respective Facebook account as public, no? So, inig-post na to, mo mention mo na si Facebook kung sa man private, public. So, you choose public. And you will post each action using the following detail, no? So, in your post sa Facebook, ibutang ninyo ang following, no? First is narrate the situation, the detail as to when it happened, as to where it happened, no? And what was transpired, sa nahitabo. Then ang second paragraph, you will write your learning. What do you learn from doing the action? And then you should also post a picture, no, that will signify the event. Not necessarily makita ninyong now, makita ng tao, ang inyong na-involved, but something that would be attached to that situation. And you should be the one to take that picture. Do not just grab any picture available in the internet, no, because you might have an intellectual property right violation. So, para malikayan na to na it should be you who will take a picture of it. So may tabo, 1 Facebook post for makadiyos, for makatao, makabansa, at makakalikasan. So 4 ka buo. Then after that, have the hashtag, no, ethics, hashtag Filipino core values. Kung kana nga post is about makatao, so you write makatao. Kung it is about makadiyos, you write about makadiyos. Then lastly, Cebu Technological University. And then post it. And later on, have your Facebook friends, no, share and like your post. And then once ma-post ninyo, by the 4th week of May, I will be giving you a Google form. Kung isa i-send sa ato ang messenger group chat where you will be submitting the links, no? Upat man ni ka posts, therefore upat pod ka links ang inyong i-submit using Google form. Okay? Here is an example of a pseudo post na ako ang post ako ang Facebook. So, ang first paragraph, you tell the situation. No? Yesterday, May 13, around 12 noon, while naglakaw ko sa Dalan Colon, I saw a Lola walking. No? She did not bring payong and she was sweating a lot. Shared my payong to her. We crossed the street. Before leaving, I told her, dili magpainit. So, that's the situation. Second paragraph, what do you learn from that experience? Helping Lola cross the street and sharing my umbrella with her was a heartening experience that resonated deeply with the Filipino core value of Makata, which emphasizes compassion and concern for others, blah, blah, blah. Okay? So you write your reflection. A short paragraph lang, no? Then hashtag hashtag ethics, hashtag Filipino core values, hashtag Cebu Technological University, and the picture, and then have it post. Okay, so basically this is your final requirement for the practice of good deeds. Supposedly, buhaton ng tanan to, it has to be monitored, no? But because we do not have the luxury of time left for us to do those things, so I would have it minimal, no? So only 4 actions per core value. So what sa makaha? No? What are the different actions that you can do for you to manifest aron imong mapakita ang pagka makadiyos, kataong, makakalikasan at makabansa. Okay, that would be all. And if you have any questions, just message in our group chat so that I can cater your concern. Maayong buntag, maayong adlaw kanatong tanan.